Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden and Kitchen. Today, after a lot of requests of my vegetarian and vegan viewers, I'm making a very high protein vegetarian dish. It's called Rajma. Rajma is the red kidney beans with the rice. We eat with the rice, or maybe you can eat with the aloo paratha. Aloo paratha is stuffed bread with stuffed with the potatoes inside, and I'm gonna give you the recipe of that one also very soon. So let's go see what all the ingredients we needed to make this rajma. Okay, let's go. Okay, to make rajma, we have over here, we need some red kidney beans. I soaked overnight, 1 cup, and 1 medium size of onion, and I chopped 2 green chilies. It's optional. If you don't eat spicy, you don't have to put it. And then I have like 4 medium sized tomatoes. I made the puree out of it. You can chop it and put it, but you're gonna see the skins in there, so I don't like the skin in the gravy, so I just grinded that. And we have 1 spoon of red chili powder, red pepper, and 1.5 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of coriander powder, 1 spoon of cumin powder, half a spoon of turmeric, and half a spoon of garam masala, allspice. And I have a little bit of pinch of fenugreek leaves, it's methi, kasuri methi, and I do have some dry mango powder. It gives a little tanginess to your dish. It feels good with the rice. Makes a little sour, so that's why I put it. Okay, and then I have 1 whole cardamom, the big one. This is not the green cardamom, this is a black cardamom. It's a big one, 1 part. And I do have 2 bay leaves. So we're gonna go start cooking this. Okay, bay leaves, I just picked it up from my garden. Every time whenever the tree is very big, so I usually pick up a lot of bay leaves, and I dry them and wash them real good and dry them and put it in my dry groceries like flour and rice and beans and stuff, so the bugs don't come in there. The bugs, to prevent from the bugs, we will put the bay leaves in there. Okay, or maybe you can put if you have neem leaves, that's also good. Okay, let's go see how to cook this rajma. Okay, we have to cook beans in the pressure cooker, so it's gonna be faster. I have I think 3 spoons of oil in here, and heat it up, and then I'm gonna add this cardamom and these 2 bay leaves. It's a fresh bay leaves, that's going to make it flying everywhere, splashing. Okay, I'll put onions and pepper. We'll saute this until it gets a little brownish color. Then we're going to add tomatoes. Okay, onions is soft and light brown. That's all we wanted. We do not want to be very dark brown. So then we're going to add all the spices in there first. Turmeric, garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, salt, red pepper, and dry mango powder. And a little bit of kasuri methi. Okay. Then we'll add all these tomatoes in there. Tomato puree. And we're going to cook until all the water evaporates. So okay, we will cook until all the water evaporates. Then we're going to add beans in there. Okay, tomatoes are cooked and soft, everything. So we can add beans now. We are going to start it with the masalas for a few minutes. Then we're going to add water and let it cook. The fragrance, the aroma is so delicious. Okay, I'm gonna add some water and let it cook. You can put the cover on it, pressure cooker. You're gonna be pressure cooking. We'll add this and you can put the vessel. Wait, and we are gonna cook until 2 whistles. Then we are gonna lower the flame and simmer it for a little while and open and see later on if it's soft. Beans has to be real soft. When you touch the beans, it has to be real soft. Okay, let it cook for a little while, then we'll come back. Okay, our pressure cooker is done. It's cold now. We can open it. Yeah, it's done. So let's see if it's soft. Oh, that looks good. Beans are, let me see if it's soft. Yeah, look how the breaking is soft. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to smash some of the beans in there, so we'll make like a thick gravy. You can remove this bay leaves and you can remove this both bay leaves. I'm just gonna smash few of them and leave few whole. Okay, this is also, you can remove this one too. Cardamom. So let's see. This is the time you can check for the salt. If you want more salt, you can add more salt. If it's a lot of salt, you might have to boil some more beans and add it to that. So be careful with when you're adding salt and pepper. Okay, so that's the one. Supposed to be beans. I'm gonna put it in the plate and let me show it to you. Okay friends, our rajma is ready. Look at the consistency. We have some whole beans in there some of our smash. It's like a thick gravy, and it goes very good with the rice. And I have some cucumbers and onions. It also goes very good with the white radish muli. So okay, please try this, and if you like it, please click like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe my channel. Please support my channel so you can by subscribing. Okay, see you in next video. Bye.